Good morning from Point Lookout. (7 a.m. Tuesday morning. You can hear the rumble in the background. And the Captain Al is going fishing. Pulling out of the marina. Seems like most of the weather is in the west right now. And I had Intellicast on just a little bit ago, and it didn't even show any of this cloud cover or thunderstorm activity. So we'll see where it goes today. Kind of quiet on the bay this morning, excepting of course for Captain Al. As usual, the birds are on the feeder. Seen the parakeet this morning, but he's not around right now. He already had his fill of food. But you never know, he might fly in again. Here comes the owl. You know, if you want to go fishing, this is the boat to go on, because he's always going out. Oh, here comes the rain. Time to hide the camera. Catch you later. Yeah, it's really coming down now. Shooting through the screen, through the back door here, front door. Captain Al just left about 10 minutes ago to go fishing out in this stuff. Coming down nicely out of the, blowing in from the south right now. Yep, getting a little wet out here. I'll catch you later, because I'm going back inside. Ho ho ho!